guys, welcome to my vlog, char. Jogging today. So, here we are. Mag-jogging tayo for healthy lifestyle. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys, itong ating place to jog. Dito sa Causeway Bay. Oval ng Causeway Bay. So, ito siya. Kalawak. Ito yung oval jogging area. Ayan yung jogging area. So, I think I can round 50 round here. 50 round, yes. 50 round for like, I guess, 1 hour. Okay, and then, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung locker. So, dito yung tennis area din. Tennis area dito. Ayan, marami yan doon sa kalunahan pa doon. And then, ito yung locker. Dito din yung locker, guys. Ito yung locker. Dito. I am done for my 1 hour jogging, guys. So, here we go. This is the oval. Yan, ito yung oval ng Causeway Bay area where I jog here. Tadan! Ikot ako. But I just reached 25 rounds. But it's okay. Not bad, right? It's over. Now guys, kay papraktisan ko tong drone dito sa oval. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Praktisan natin to. Praktisan natin to. Let's see. Paano to siya gagawin? You can see guys, ganun pala siya. Oh, see, I get it. So, try natin tong gawin ha. Ito lang yung pinipress. Kulang akong pinipress. Pag ganyan lang pala siya naka-stay. Pagka, alright. Baba, okay. Aha, ikot. Up, stop. Where are you? Okay. Baba. Balik. Down. Down on the floor. Ah, nice.